Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's explore this particular glitch. So for this to work, you will have to turn off your internet, or you can also turn on the airplane mode on your device. After that, you have to just simply get your copy and pen or notepad, whatever you can get in order to write your moves down. So as soon as you roll the dice, you would be able to see your character moving. Like currently it moved 1, 2 and 3 places. So just simply write it down on a piece of paper and then roll the dice again, and again write the number of moves that your character has moved, and keep doing or writing this particular number of moves that you are moving with each roll of the dice, and keep doing it until you hit the railroad. And as soon as you hit the railroad, just simply close the application. When your old man is in the clouds and in action, just simply close your application right there, uninstall the Monopoly Go, and now you would need to turn your internet on in order to download Monopoly Go again. Just simply download Monopoly Go again and sign up with your account, and this time all the moves that you were taking when you were offline, you would be taking the same number of moves when you are online. So this way you know exactly how and where you will be going in Monopoly Go. So just simply plan it accordingly and get the max benefits out of it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.